Hello there, this is Shamim. I am working as a senior web developer here in Eicra Soft Limited. So in this tutorial I am going to cover our hotel management software. So there are some various parts that you may find sometimes a bit tricky, but this tutorial will help you understanding how the hotel room type and availability can be managed through our nice user interface and calendar. So let's start with our default demo template. Let's get started. Now here it is, our default demo template of hotel reservation system, you all know. So this is a default homepage. So let us manage with Oasis Beach Tower Hotel. So let's assume that we are going to work with this hotel and we will set up room type, room availability, and check calendar dates. So once I click on check calendar dates, the cursor moves down to here, and in this table, it's nicely formatted table, and you can see these all are the room types, double room types, and this is not the room. Make sure you understand this is all room types. So room types means superior city view. There may be hundreds room under each room type. 2-bedroom apartment, there can be number of apartments. So look at this, these rooms are available now. So the status shows as available. So it means on the right hand side it's availability of room types, and this is the rooms joined with these room types. So as you can see, room number 203, room number blah blah blah, and 7 to 8 rooms are added here, and here you can see 6 rooms are added under this room type. So these are the number of the rooms that is pointing to the room types called accessible rooms. So look at this room type number 203. Room number 203 is remain under a type called accessible room. So let's log on to our backend area and let us show you the hierarchical view, how we can manage a hotel joined with a room type, and room type is a combination of various rooms. So as you can see, we are working on Oasis Beach Tower apartment. So let's copy it, and I will find this hotel throughout our long list. So manage hotel or property. I click on that, and it loads up the list of the hotels I have available. You may have 50,000 hotel or 100,000 hotel around the world. So let us find my preferred one called Oasis Beach Tower apartment. So I click on that, I find my hotel here, and let's go ahead on edit mode so that I can show you how things is being configured. So I am now in an edit mode of a hotel called Oasis Hotel, and you can see select room type. So this field denotes the room types. So Oasis Beach Tower apartment, once I click on the room availability, it brings down to this table called accessible room type. So these are the room types on your left hand side. Make sure I repeat, these all are room types, not room. And room types is a combination of a various room. So where these room types is been configured from this hotel, here this field select room type, this is a multi-select area. If you just click on your control button and press on mouse, you can select number of room types. So here I select 1 2 3 4 5 6 room type. So and each room contains each room types contains various room. So room number 203 is under accessible rooms, so this one. So accessible room types contains a room called room number 203. So let's open our rooms on a different tab so that I can navigate side by side. So this is our long list of the rooms. So what is the difference between room and room types? Room types is a combination of various rooms, and room is an individual room number 203 203, room number 205, whatever. So now we are working on room number 203, so which is under accessible rooms, and this is 203 room number, which price is USD $100 per night. And accessible room, yes, you can see room number 203. I can go in edit mode, or I can set up calendar for availability selection. So let's click on our calendar for room number 203, and I want to show you how can we manage the availability or booked or not available function. So if I double click on any day, you can see I will set up a day from 25th to 31st. So now I would like to set them as a booked. So once I double click on 25 day, it brings up a nice event interface where I can select the start date, and I can select an end date where I want to set this room as a booked for. So now I select 25th of May and then 31st of May, and I set a status called booked and save. You can see a yellow line blocks and saying that this room is booked. So we do not want to take any more reservation within this day. So it means May 25th to May 31st, the room number 203 is booked. I do not want to take this order. So now I save this button, and let's go ahead, refresh this page under the availability room type. So let's load up room number 203. What's happened? User can see that these days rooms are booked. The room number 203 cannot be reserved within this date because we set it as a booked. So now, and then go back to our admin area. So, and let's make some fun again, and let us select 1st of June to 7th of June. I set it as a not available because in this time maybe you are not interested to sell this room. So means June 1st to June 7th, I want this hotel not to make any reservation. It is not booked, but it is not available. Maybe you have some function, or you may have some cleaning tasks going, so you do not want to take this order. So when I just select and save it, and now go back to our front end part and refresh this page, I select room number 203 and click on that, and look at this. What user can see? User can see room number 203 is no longer available for booking in between 1st of June to 7th of June. It means you can configure the date range, and you can also select a particular date not to book. So if you want to undo your changes, or if you want to if you think that, okay, no, I made a mistake, I have inserted a wrong date, just double click on the color icon and just click delete, or it is deleted and it becomes available. And now again, if I double click on the red side and click on the delete button, it will delete the not available. And you can also click on this icon to delete it. Delete is very simple. So once you delete it, it means all rooms become available. It means that what the date you have not set it as a booked or not available means it is available. Now what I can see, all rooms 203 is available for all date to accept booking. So by default, if you do not make any booking sign, it means it is available. So this is all room types. So you can set up all these room types, and you can join room with this room type, and we will show you in our different tutorial how can we create a room type and how can we point many room types to many rooms to a room types. So in this tutorial I have covered how can you manage your room availability through the calendar, and you can set up easily through our web interface. So this is a front end part, and under this section you can, if you click on check calendar availability, and it cursor will takes you down to the availability calendar module. So I hope this tutorial helps you to understand how room type is managed and how you can set a room as booked or not available based on your business demand. So if you have any question, do not hesitate to email us. We are open to assist to any of your problem regarding this hotel reservation system. Thank you very much. Thanks for listening this tutorial.